Good morning, students. This is the continuation of the previous question bank we are dealing with. So this is the sixth question. We'll see this drawback of SR flip-flop. Okay. So the fourth state in SR flip-flop is indeterminate state, and that occurs for the input conditions S is equal to 1 and R equal to 1. Okay. And what it is actually, it is when you have S equal to 1 and R equal to 1 as the input conditions, the output is invalid. Okay. That is Q and Q bar, they will be equal to 1, both will be equal to 1, but according to our condition we know that Q and Q bar must be complement, but here Q will also be 1, Q bar will also be 1, so that is the indeterminate state. Okay. And how to overcome the drawback of S of flip-flop? We know that this is the drawback, indeterminate state. Okay. And how to overcome it? We have to modify the SR flip-flop into a JK flip-flop, and JK flip-flop is eliminating the drawback of this SR flip-flop. Okay. So now we see what is JK flip-flop here. So it is very similar to SR flip-flop, but we have the modification. Here you know this green color and this blue color are the feedback path. Okay. So this output Q is given as the input to G2 as well as this G4, and this Q bar is given as the input to G1 and G3. But in the case of SR flip-flop, we don't have this feedback path, that it is not feedback. This path as well as this path is not available. That means this Q will not be applied to G4 as well as Q bar is not applied to G3. So that is the modification we have in JK flip-flop. This will eliminate the indeterminate state drawback. Okay. And the next one is write the truth table or the characteristic table of JK flip-flop. So this is nothing but input output conditions we have. So JK equal to 0 0, then Q of t plus 1 is Q of t, that is called no change condition. 0 1 means we have it as 0, output is 0, next state is 0, that is reset condition. 1 0 is inputs are 1 and 0, then output is 1, that is called set condition. For 1 1 we have Q of t bar. Okay, the complement of Q of t, previous condition is actually complemented. That means we have the toggle condition. What is meant by toggle condition? Toggle means change of state. So if Q of t equal to 0, that means present state is 0, then next state Q of t plus 1 is equal to 1, and if present state is 1, then the next state is 0. Okay. And then we see the excitation table for J and K flip-flop. I have already told you that what is excitation. That means output conditions are we have the output conditions, that is change over from present state to next state. For that we have to determine what is the input condition. Okay, so for this JK flip-flop, for 0 0 as the change over condition, present state to next state, then the input must have been 0x. Then for 0 1 it is 1x, for 1 0 it is x1, and for 1 1 it is x0. Okay. And for your okay, and the next one is write the characteristic equation of JK flip-flop, and JK flip-flop characteristic equation is J into Q of t bar plus K bar into Q of t. Okay, actually this is written from this characteristic, we have this characteristic table, right? From this characteristic equation is derived. Okay. And in the next lecture I will tell you how to actually get this excitation, how it is being derived, excitation table is formed. Okay, thank you.